So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and today I'm going to be showing you some gymnastics hair tutorials. I'm sorry that my last few gymnastics tutorials have been unrelated to actually gymnastic skills. I've been running out of ideas. But this one's going to be hair. Next week is going to be an actual tutorial because I got this new skill that I would like to show you guys how to do. But I'm just working on the form of it because right now it doesn't look the greatest. But, so that'll be next week. So I'm sorry my last video was late. The Wi-Fi's been really bad, and I finally just got uploading it, and my hair is different if you didn't notice. It's kind of reddish still, but I got it that blonde, or brown, I didn't get any blonde put in it, but it looks blondish, kind of. But I got that brown, so on to the hair tutorial. So, here's my hair. It's straightened, so I'm not going to be doing any crazy styles, but normally I don't do any. So this is just what my hair looks like right now, brushed. And for style number 1, it's just a simple ponytail. So after, this is what it looks like, just simple ponytail. A little bit messy because I know it'll get ruined at practice, but just a basic ponytail. On to style number 2. So style number 3 is for you girls with shorter hair, because my hair, I sometimes wear this to practice, but most of the time I don't, because it just my hair is too long, so it still gets in the way. But it's just a simple half up, half down style. On to style number 3. So this is style number 3, just little bun. You can make it neater or messier. I most of the time just do my buns like this because it's simple. Just basic bun. You can see better from this side, but on to style number 4. So this is style number 4, which is just a little fan bun. Doesn't look that good from the top because you can really see the flaps, but just cute little fan bun. And if I didn't mention this, there's going to be 5 hairstyles with a bonus hairstyle. So here's number 4. On to style number 5. Here is style number 5. Just a little ballerina type of bun, but I didn't use a bun maker because those things are impossible to use and they're just more work. Well, just ignore all the flyaways, but on to bonus style number 6. You guys ready for style number 6, the bonus style? This one's really gonna shock you. Whoosh! Wear your hair down. This one mostly works for people with short hair, because I know my hair, I don't wear it down that often, but sometimes I do, so you can wear it down too. There's a lot more hairstyles that you could do, but that would just take me forever to show. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, or share with a friend. Peace.